Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips, Tricks. Earlier today, I completely redid this logo because it was rough for the gentleman, and this is beside the point. But I started thinking about it. I was kind of in a rush to make this because of the fact that I didn't know I was going to make it on that video. And it's so easy to do it this way. Depending on what size you want to make it, I'm going to make a 1/2 inch square. And I'm going to set my nudge factor on a 1/2 inch. Let me just get this out of the way. And I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to move it over twice. I'm going to hit the plus key and move it over twice. I'm going to take that one and take the plus key and move it to there. You already see what I'm doing. Shape tool. Hold down the control button. Bring in these corners. And you could even make it faster by, now you could, if you started in the center of the page, we could rotate this, but this doesn't take any time. The next important step you have to do, I'm holding down the control button and I'm just bringing in these angles. You have to go and weld this together. And look at this. You can make it a little bit thicker. And there, something 10's perfect, but don't always forget, you could type in 9, it'd be 9. And then once you get that shape, just go up to object and convert the outline to an object and left click, right click, and look at that. Now we can make it smaller, hit P to put that in center page. And as long as you can see those lines, it'll work. And then you just intersect it and bam. And like I said earlier today, nudge that over so you can nudge your outline over if you want outline. And then you can make your outline thicker lines. So easy. I just wasn't thinking about it. Well, I was also trying to make it, well, this is more proportionate than, well, it's exactly the same if they were the exact same size proportionally. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.